how come the likes of Yusek Bernardo, Bryce Hernandez, even the Sims, the contractor of Sims, na talagang alam nila, no, they admitted that they received money, millions. Why are they admitted to the state witness program? I mean,
Sige,
how can that be?
Let me clarify po, no?
Oh.
The requirement is not the least guilty.
Oh.
The requirement is not the most guilty. So you
Okay.
don't necessarily have to be the least guilty. And for example, in the case of Sims, no? Itong si Sims, malalaman talaga, well, through her statements and through her affidavits, nalaman namin na siya ay ginamit. Wala talaga siyang construction company dati. So, isa siyang liaison officer, no? So, siya ang taga-submit ng mga documents. Inalok na lang siya na gumawa ng isang kumpanya para makahiram sila Bryce at si JP ng lisensya.
Okay.
So, binigyan lang siya ng maliit na porsyento. I think that came out naman in the Senate Senate hearings. Binigyan lang siya ng maliit na porsyento. Tapos sa kanila na lahat. Wala na siyang alam kung paano na-implement, kung naging ghost project ba yung ano.
Okay.
So siya, in her case, she is not the most guilty dahil inalok na lang talaga siya in a way. Wala siyang choice at that time. And kung ikaw naman din, isang liaison officer, sasabihin sa'yo na, ito, gawa ka na lang ng construction company, tapos hiramin na lang namin yung license mo, meron ka ng percentage ka agad. Siyempre, it's very enticing. No? So, that was one of the main reasons why naging state witness talaga si Sally Santos. Kasi nandun siya, nakita niya lahat ng exchanges, nakita niya yung lahat ng personalities, pero labas siya sa conspiracy.
Okay. The case of Yusek Bernardo, na, di ba, at saka sina Bryce.
Yes, so all of them are premised on the fact na kailangan nilang kumanta doon sa mga nalalaman nilang mga transactions on the big fish.
Oh.
So, when we talk about big fish kasi, marami kasing iba't ibang mga definitions yan. Other people will already consider the Discayas as big fish. The others will only call the sitting senators big fish. Si former Senator Bong Revilla is not considered a big fish. So, iba-iba po yung mga definition, no? And we have to really clamp down and understand ano ba talagang ibig sabihin ng big fish, no? So, itong si Yusek Bernardo, the fact na he was very central in the operations of DPWH makes him a very interesting character kasi nakita niya lahat. Nakita niya lahat. And in the MOAs, in the Memorandum of Agreements with Yusek Bernardo, nakasabi naman talaga doon na pag meron kaming nakita na hindi mo sinasabi sa amin at sangkot ka doon sa mga nakita namin, kakasuhan ka rin namin. Kasi hindi naman po pwede na we fully rely on your statements. So there's a bit of a push and pull with him. And if I may clarify also, and this is very significant, kung sa amin lang po, hindi kami kukuha ng kahit sino man as state witness. But for us to be able to build strong cases, kailangan po talaga namin ng cooperation ng ilan dyan.
So compromises are being made in effect.
Well, I wouldn't really call it a compromise just yet, no? Kasi at the end of the day, yun na nga, there's this push and pull with him na kailangan talaga siya magsabi ng lahat. And just to be completely frank and to be completely transparent, hindi pa kami masyadong happy sa lahat ng sinasabi niya. We need to dig even more.